Well, in a matter of hours, President Trump is expected to implement steep tariffs on our three biggest trading partners. That includes 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada, 10% on China. The president says the purpose is to boost domestic manufacturing and stop the flow of illegal immigrants and fentanyl into the U.S. Joe McCoy spoke to experts about the impact this could have locally.
We like winning, don't we? Huh?
Sticking with his campaign promise, President Trump says a 25% tariff on Mexico and Canada and a 10% tariff on China will go into effect tomorrow. This decision has Minnesota farmer Harmon Wiltz reflecting back to 2018 when Trump also implemented tariffs.
Probably the biggest impact was soybeans. There was a large tariff on China, and our beans were selling for about $10 a unit per bushel, and got down to as low as in the $6 range.
Wiltz says he and other farmers still have not fully recovered from this, as China decided to buy a lot more soybeans from South America.
As a farmer, I have to be able to have a good working relationship with the people that I buy and sell things with, and that's Canada, Mexico, China, and a bunch of other countries too. So I really don't want to make them mad.
I would not be surprised to see some prices going up tomorrow.
U of M economist Tim Kehoe says he has numerous economist friends that share opposing political beliefs. But he says they all agree that tariffs of this magnitude are a bad idea.
The U.S. automobile industry would be crippled by this in the short run, and then it'll show up in the stock market too.
Under these tariffs, Kehoe expects gas prices locally to increase by roughly 20% in the near future, as the vast majority of gas in Minnesota comes from Canada. He says other goods will soon follow suit.
It will affect many consumer purchases. It will be a major tax.
It is important to note Trump has previously said he plans to use tariffs as leverage for stemming the flow of migrants and fentanyl across the southern border. So while these tariffs are expected to go into effect tomorrow, it's unclear how long they may or may not last.